How are you doing, guys? Uh, my name is to be.
Mwambie nitamletea tamu nyingine.
I'm so fine. I'm so good. Yes, and
Mwira tiga riri. Kira ndirokora riu.
what? Yeah. Yeah. Kirieri. Oga te modiko ya mudirio ikate. How are you? Yes. Okay. How are you guys? How are you? My name is Sahuma Walter. I come from Nairobi, Kenya, and I still love God. I love Jesus. I love. You see. Yeah, I love my family. I love your friends. I love you all, my fans. How are you doing? Hello there. Mami, tutoka thutha hanini. Eh, kwaje ukinyonaga? Eh? YouTube. Yale yatia.
Yedio eh?
Ebu.
Nikaficha dahihinya, dahikura haibu.
Gai.
Niki wamenya naki.
Aiya.
Kwaje ukinyonaga? Naki.
Daki iwe gicokera.
YouTube. Yale yatia. Yedio eh? Ebu. Nikaficha dahihinya, dahikura.
Gai.
Niki wamenya naki. Aiya. Kwaje ukinyonaga? Daki iwe gicokera. YouTube.
Aiya. Yes, thank you so much. Welcome guys to this platform. My name is to be Sahuma Walter. I just left from Nairobi, Kenya. Home, Nyeri, Mokoroine is to be home. I love to be the son of God, and in my family we are five, and I always love God. I love Jesus because He's the only strength. You see, He's the only strength that we can we can live. Yeah, the network. Si Mungu. Kama si Mungu, hatuwezi kuwa hai. So, andika hapo. I can see you, I have a visitor. Just comment there. My name is this and this, and I love God. I come from this and this. Yeah. Yeah, and you'll be blessed. Mungu akubariki sana 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 sana. Put you in mode. Mungu awabariki sana. Mungu awarinde. Mungu you see? Comment hapo chini, just comment hapo hivi. Uniambie my name is this, anatoka huku. Mimi naitwa Sahuma. Mimi kwetu ni Nyeri Mkoroini. I'm the only last born. Mimi ndo last born kwetu. Na mimi napenda Mungu and I love friends. Most